Hello, everyone. My name is Alexandra Chereshnya. I'm marketing manager at RedTech. I would like to welcome you all at our webinar on ISV partners. So today we are scheduled for about 45 minutes. And without any further ado, let me introduce our amazing speakers, Denis Denkovic and Roman Hnatyev. Denis, the floor is yours.
Thank you, Sasha. We'll start thank you for your time today, of course, and we'll have a webinar, and so here's our agenda for today. So I'll do the introduction of our company, tell you why RedTech, what we bring on the table to our partners. And my colleague Roman will dive deeper into our cases with ISV partners that we are currently working. And then we'll have a Q&A session, and potentially can discuss next steps and so on and so forth. So let's start. And and our team would like to thank you for your time today. We appreciate you managed to join our webinar. We'll make sure that this time will be well spent for you. So let's start. So this is our CEO and founder, Nazar Maketin. So he once said that we have to give a chance to grow. So it's like the promise provided by the people for the people, and we always have to exceed our partners' expectations. So as once this chance was given to us by our partners, so now we give this chance to grow to other companies, and we grow together. So my name is Dennis. I'm a senior sales account manager. So I'm responsible for EMEA region, and your main point of contact regarding all the interactions within our corporation. So RedTech is currently we have all our specialists are certified. Our specialists share around on average more than 4 certifications. So we have in different industry expertise depending on our client needs, and we also are a PDO partner, and so we work with different partners in all stages of productions, and from an idea on product roadmap till the product solution releases. So our values. So we always we believe that to become a successful and 100 top companies in Salesforce, we have to build long-lasting trusting relationships. So to be able to do that, our team has to be focused on the result of our client. We make sure that all of our members are that our clients feel that our developers are as one team with their clients, so the onboarding and makes seamless and feel so. Internal team of our customers feels that our team that joins them is one as if they worked with them for a lot of years. So for this we have to understand that our team is passionate about the Salesforce, and they love their craft. They constantly develop in this area. So it all in general makes that sense that we have our team is together with, and that helps us to build trusting relationships together. So RedTech in numbers. So currently our team, we were established in 2013, and our team currently has more than 100 specialists. Through these years with our partners, we have delivered more than 500 projects together. We are very proud that at this point of time, we have 30 long life clients. So that works with us for more than 6, 7, even 8 years. Also, we are very happy that we managed to through these all years, through more than 500 projects, to keep a high CSAT score, which is currently 499. Also, we are one company in Ukraine that has a Salesforce MVP. It's only one representative from our region that is officially in Salesforce and representing us in around the world, in US, in Europe. Regarding our services, so we offer staff augmentation services. Is when you just can pick any specialist that you need, or a couple of specialists, or a team to join your team, to extend your team. So we offer not only developers, we have a team of business BAs, QAs. Also, we offer consultants, and we have a scope of developers from junior developers to architect level specialists. Also, we offer team lead model is when you have a architect level developer that is your point of contact, and you can involve this person on calls with the clients, and he will be responsible for all the projects. Then he will choose. He will be responsible for the team from our side that will do the exact part of the job on any stage of the project. So if you need QAs in that stage of the project to do that, so he will pick the proper specialist for you, and they will do the job, and so on. Also, we offer managed packages. Is when you just, for example, we offer 24/7 support. If you have some finished project, but your internal specialist work on the project, but you would like to free them for some other tasks, let's say, we offer 24/7 support for this. Also, we have different packages for you, like fixed price packages for a month for some amount of hours. Also, you can ask us for example, database cleanup, or to some migrate workflows, or whatever task you need. We also provide that. Regarding the AppExchange development, so we have the capacity to also join you on the stage, for example, where everything is ready and you just need to do the implementation. Or we have an opportunity when you just have an idea of the product of your app, let's say, or package, and we have specialists that can help you to do all these to help you on all stages from A to Z to make it work, and then of course go to the implementation itself. So there's a couple of products and industries we work with. So through these 10 years, we work with most popular Salesforce clouds and products. So of course, Service Cloud, Sales Cloud. Also, we have Revenue Cloud Specialist, Heroku Specialist, Data Cloud, Analytic Cloud, and recently we've been almost know all ins and outs in Slack and how to work with that. We do different integrations with this. Also, the good benefit that we have expertise in industries. For example, we have subject matter experts in manufacturing, retail, and consumer goods. It's the people that came from the business itself, and they know how the manufacturing, for example, works. And this helps a lot to our clients to build processes to kind of add Salesforce to the manufacturing itself, and they know how it works, what is needed, and so on. And also through these years, we have great experience in logistics, education. We have more than 200 projects in nonprofit. If interest of our clients, of course, and financial service, high tech, and so on, of course. Regarding where are we located in our offices, so currently, our main office and development base is located in Lviv, Ukraine. It's the western part of Ukraine. Also, we have our office in Chicago, Illinois, and these are corporations, because we have a lot of partners in US and Europe. So regarding these 30 long life partners that I mentioned before, so I would like to share a few words about these three cases. So it's Provisio Partner. Provisio Partners is our US client that we work with for more since 2018. So we started when there was only three people. Actually, they are founders and one a consultant, and we joined them at that time only with two consultants. And currently, our team, the team grew to 60 members, and 20 of our specialists are constantly working for them. And it's our nonprofit and human service field where we discover all these areas and all ins and out in that direction. Also, you might know MindSquare. They are from Germany, so the same story is here. So we joined them in 2018, and through the time, so from 6 to 10 of our specialists work with them, and we together finished 15 projects. And the next few is one of our oldest partners. So currently 10 of our specialists work with them, but there were different times when it was even 15, 20. So, and yeah, through this time, we finished, we're engaged and finished sometimes fully 70 projects together with them. And so we are welcoming new partners, and we'll be also happy to have your brand here and to create such a relationship with you. So why choose Red Tech? So we have all the we have more than 100 specialists, so we can choose whatever specialist you need at any time. So our specialists have access to the knowledge base, and we have a special system where your specialist, if he is facing any struggles on the project or with some task or something appears, so within half an hour he will get help from our team and find a solution how we can solve any problem or whatever issue they have. Also, since our specialists work with the EMEA and US, so we know how to work with different time zones. We aware of different work cultures, and of course, English is a must. So every our specialist is fluent in English. And and how we work actually. So as I mentioned there previously, that we can join on early stage, or we can join the mature project. It's when you just need some specialists to join your team or extend your team, or finding some skills that are lacking in some point of time. It can be long-lasting involvement, some for a year and more, or it could be for a couple of months. You just can hire someone for 3 months to do the job, and that's it. And discontinue cooperation, it's not a problem for you. So just to make your to achieve your goal somewhere. And also we can we, of course, as a consultant, we have a consultancy part of our business. So we offer a customized solution based on the project evaluations. Also, we make sure that all of our specialists know how to work due to agile methodology. So Scrum, Kanban is also a must. So yeah, and we can also, of course, is to remind you that we have not only developers, we have a full-scale team. So from QAs, BAs, UI, also specialists. And what else? So and Redec Academy is we established it 6 years ago. So it helps us to find new specialists, to nurture. We find them in universities. In Ukraine, then we nurture them from start to the end. We make sure that through this academy, we make sure that every specialist is on the same page with the last updates from the Salesforce. We know the Salesforce. Also, we use the academy experience when we finish the projects, for example, with our partners, and we train the specialists. So make sure that the in-house specialist, they have their own, for example, Salesforce administrator, and knows not only like Salesforce, but knows the specific case the specific work they have to, and of course we offer support to other partners and give courses to other, let's say, third parties in Ukraine, for example, and it's kind of helps us a lot and our partners with this. So regarding the kind of what we actually have, so yeah, we have proven from Salesforce that we have experts in a certain amount of clouds, which is helpful and kind of makes sure that we are not only saying, but we actually do the job. So thank you, and I would like to give the word to Roman. And please, Roman, go further from here, and thank you.
Hey, thank you, Dennis. Thank you. Hey, hello, everybody. My name is Roman, and I'm Salesforce engineer. For the last 15 years, my professional career is tightly bound to the Netherlands. Originally, I started as a .NET developer, and I was building customizations for ERP system. But around 2015, I got acquainted with the Salesforce, and that was a love from the first sight for me. Really, everything suits me perfectly. Like my experience also helped me, and I benefited from it highly. So I feel with Salesforce at home, and I love my craft. I love Salesforce. I love doing my craft inside Salesforce. For the past 2 years, I'm working with our Dutch partner. They are ISV, and they are building a recruitment solution. Now let's take a look and talk in details about that very case. So my client, they were for a long time and still are on a recruitment market with their .NET based solution. And yeah, they were very successful with .NET based solution, and Salesforce for them it was just like, yay. One of their clients called them and say, hey, can you please make integration with Salesforce? They said, oh, why not? Salesforce, one of the other systems for them was, so they just take a look at Salesforce. And as you know, Salesforce is providing a great training materials. They are providing also a great ecosystem for your product, and also brings you a lot of customers. So small product, well, project even at that time, that was just to build integration with their internal system, was growing so fastly and so successfully that it became independent product. Right? So now rapid growth, and that's one of the things where red tech can help you, and that's actually what happened here. Because a classical dilemma, right? Usually, do you build software or you buy software? But also in this case, was it like, do you train internal team or do you hire external specialists? So that's where we kicked in. Dennis, can you please switch the slide? Thank you. Yes. So we kicked in and we helped with our team of experienced engineers. Because working with red tech also means that you have access not only to the team that is in fact working with you on site, but also you have access to our joint knowledge of our entire company. As you have seen before, we have more than 100 certified specialists, and we are certified in all areas. So we can help you and bring you views and open new perspectives of using Salesforce. And none challenges are unique, right? Most likely the challenges you are facing right now as ESV were already faced before by other customers. And guess what? We know how to solve them. Also, we can help you and your product to look native to Salesforce, because as it usually happens when people are coming to Salesforce Vault with their own product, right? So their product can be built on PHP, it can be built on Node.js or whatsoever. It usually, if it's already existing and successful product, it has certain styles of operations. It has a certain UI and UX, and what most of the customers do, they just make it like iframe style, right? So you just put something inside Salesforce and you say, hey, that's our integration. But it's not really an integration, it's an iframe inside the Salesforce. If you really want to integrate, and that's what we are actually doing here, we can provide you with UI and UX experts to explain how things can look native in Salesforce, right? So when in the end, your customers are looking at the product, they cannot distinguish between native Salesforce modules and the modules provided by you. That also helps you in and gives more trust for you and for your customers. Yes, here are more names and more customers we are proudly working with, like Real Zips, Mindsquare, and Revenue Grid. Yeah, for myself, I'm not really I'm developer, right? So I'm just straight to the point. And that was my point. That's my story, and I'm also here on this call so to answer your practical questions. Would you have some after this meeting? Thank you, Dennis. Back to you.
Yep, like as I said, we came to the Q&A session, and if you have any questions for us and you would like to ask any questions to Roman regarding as your practical points, I would be happy to answer you. So yep, thanks for your time, and